Alright, fellas, so I'm going to be replacing the old bucket seats that I've had for a while with these new ones. So I don't want to waste much time. So anyhow, I already removed the passenger side. I figured I'd start with that. Okay, so in mounting the sliders to the seat, I ended up using the old sliders from the old seats as well as these 4-corner smaller brackets to mount each one to each other because I don't know how to weld at all, and that would have been so much simpler. And again, the reason for using the old ones is the holes I have already drilled here are set up for these, and not the new sliders. So it was just easier to use the old stuff. So unfortunately, the hardware that came with the new seats, it was missing one of these hex bolts. This is from the old seat, from the old sliders. It's like twice the length of these, so that's why I used more washers on this side. But other than that, that was the only little tiny hiccup. So next, the last thing I got to do is mount the bracket itself to the sliders. And I already have the nuts there. It's going to be a little finagling and stuff, but it is doable because I did the same thing in the other seat. So I'll set the phone up and start working on that. Yep, I'm really digging these seats. Seat. Oh yeah, that's much better. So much more comfortable now, way more. I'm even been thinking about getting those what are they called? 5-point seatbelt harnesses. That'd be kind of cool. That would match these. Pretty good. And even more so with having the small block 350 installed onto this truck, even more so. But yeah, as always, I want to make this longer than it already is. Hope you guys are digging the way these seats look as much as I am. And I'll see you.